Angelo, Christian Financial, your direct nationwide lender. Hope everyone's doing well out there. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding. For the last 2 decades, we've been here as your direct nationwide lender, coming to you live talking about commercial and residential lending. We do everything related to real estate secured mortgages, everything from multifamily, single family, ground up construction, HELOC loans, jumbo loans, non-QM private hard money loans. Please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like the bell. Share this with all your friends, family, colleagues. We're here. Call or text our office, 832-431-6331. We're open 7 days a week. I appreciate all of you guys watching the show on the channel. Like I said, we're a direct lender. We've been doing it since 2007. So appreciate all of you guys, all your support. You can see us on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, on our website, Official Angelo Christian. So anyway, let's get into it tonight. Every week we do our live show, Talk with Angelo. We talk about real estate, market, the credits, investments. We got a lot of programs that have come out so far this month that I'm excited to talk about, and things that are coming out for next month to kind of get ready for 2024. So it looks like, lenders, government agencies, everybody's responding and trying to figure out how to combat inflation, how to deal with high rates. Wall Street, all the banks, the markets are predicting that rates are going to be much lower next year. They're going to come down significantly, so that'll be very good, and especially with all these new programs that have come out. So it looks like 2024 is teeing up to be a very good year. So we'll find out. And see how it goes. So basically what I want to talk about tonight is some new programs that are coming out to make you guys aware of these opportunities. Because, a lot of our clients are investors, entrepreneurs, first-time buyers, people that are wanting to buy real estate. And they're not aware of all the programs that are out there. That's we make you guys aware of all this stuff, so that way you can monetize and seize opportunity, right? So one of the programs that I love that's coming out next month is the 4-unit multifamily property. You can actually purchase with only 5% down, and this is a massive thing, guys. So you can buy a 4-unit, okay, conventional, not FHA, with only 5% down starting next month. Now, historically, this thing had required 25% down, so it's going all the way from 25% to 5% down. So now, if you want to, buy your multifamily, you can definitely do that. You only need 5% down. Okay, so this is an awesome thing for you guys out there that want to collect some mailbox money. Is this multifamily Fannie Mae product that'll be starting next month? The other thing that's also kicked in is the conventional loan limits have gone higher. They went from 726 to 750 now. So if you're using, down payment assistance or, combo loan or, grant money, or the conventional 1% down program, you can go up to 750,000 now to be able to purchase a property. So that's really strong too. The other thing that has come out this month that I'm really happy about is the down payment assistance program went from 3.5% to 5%. So you get an extra 1.5% contribution towards down payment and closing costs for the down payment assistance program. So we're really happy about that, because let's say you're buying a $500,000 home, you can get up to $25,000 for down payment and closing costs. And before, you could only get like $17,000. So you get an extra $8,000 to help you to be able to purchase your home. Now, that program is just for primary residents only. You can do FHA with it or conventional. You have to have at least a 620 or higher credit score. It's a full documentation loan. And the maximum purchase price is $500,000, or whatever the county loan limit is for FHA in your county. Okay, but that's a great program. I mean, basically, you can buy a home with no money down. So there shouldn't be any reason, after watching our show, watching the channel, if you're someone that's renting and you know you can make the payment, and your hang up is closing cost, after learning about all these programs, I mean, you should pick up the phone and call us if you want to get pre-approved to buy your house, because you can buy it with no money down. We do it every day for people. So we can make it a reality for you too, if you're trying to buy your house and you don't know how. And we talked about if you want to buy a multifamily. I mean, that to me is, I mean, a no-brainer. I mean, if you can buy a 4-unit fourplex with only 5% down, and you know, since the last 50 years it was 25% down, that's crazy. That's a big change, you know. So you know, that's a huge thing that I think that will help a lot of people to be able to purchase. And also builders are probably going to be building a lot more multifamily, especially when we're running out of land. You know, you can put a 4-unit on, you know, 10,000 square foot lot or one house. People are going to put a 4-unit, right? It makes a lot more sense. So I think that I'm excited about these things and what's to come. What else? So the other thing that, like I said, the markets are predicting that rates are going to go down by at least 2% in the next 12 months. That's going to be a huge shift in the right direction. If you find the right property, well, we always tell people, marry the property, date the rate. If you love the property, you're going to get it. You're going to pay a higher rate for it, but you can come back later on the back end and refinance to get a lower rate, because rates will go down. They're not going to stay where they're at. So another thing that is really good to think about, if you're in a situation where you have a low rate on your first mortgage right now, we offer lines of credit. We can give you a second lien HELOC piggyback loan. And the cool thing about a line of credit, you only pay interest when you borrow from the loan. So maybe you don't want to touch your first mortgage. We can go up to $500,000 on a line of credit in a second mortgage position, and you only pay interest when you borrow from the loan. And that's a great program. I mean, the rates, you know, right now they're starting at, you know, 10 to 12% for a second lien HELOC, but you only, you know, pay the interest when you borrow from it, and it's, you know, 200% cheaper than a credit card. So it still makes a lot more sense to have a HELOC, you know, just in case something happens for emergencies. What I always tell people, you know, take money when you don't need it, because when you do need money, no one's going to want to lend you money. And that's a golden rule in business. You know, you may not think you need it, but one day that rainy day may come that you didn't anticipate, and maybe it messed up your credit now, and now you can't get a loan. If your credit's good now, get the HELOC now. You don't pay interest unless you draw from it. And we have 10-year credit lines and 20-year credit lines. So take advantage while you can. You know, like you always hear the farmers, the old saying, make hay when the sun shines. That's true. Take advantage of the opportunity while it's there. And speaking of that, we have a new jumbo program that we've just rolled out. You can actually purchase up to, this is awesome. This is going to be something that's coming out starting on Monday, the 14th. You can purchase a $1.3 million property with 5% down and then no PMI. So this is insane. So most of the time when you do a jumbo loan, you have to put at least 10 to 20% down. This program is only 5% down, no PMI, up to 1.3 million. So it's a massive change. So we're really happy about it. 1 second, guys. My cigar went out. I'll be right back. So. Okay. Sorry about that. So, you know, like I said, if you want to buy a property up to 1.3 million, this is a great program because you only need 5% down. So, and if you guys have questions, you know, feel free to ask me any questions that you have down below. I'm happy to answer those for you. I'm letting you know kind of the, you know, market update, what the new programs are, what's going on. So that's what my job is. I'm going to let you guys be aware of, you know, any new programs or opportunities that are out there. So another thing that we're rolling out, we work with a lot of realtors, and we do a lot of loans for realtors. A program that I'm very excited about is our Realtor Loan Partner Program that we're working on putting together. So basically, you know, realtors and lenders, you know, they work together. And if you're a realtor watching the show on the channel, we have a program that we're getting ready to roll out. Hopefully be available in November but it's called our Realtor Loan Partner Program. You can actually partner up with us as a realtor and refer clients to us. So we'll have more details as that emerges, but it's a great opportunity because a lot of realtors, they get a lot of people and they don't know how to help them on the loan side, and they struggle because they're not aware of all the different loan programs that are out there and how to help people to get the funding. So the Realtor Loan Partner Program is going to be great, and I'll talk more about that when it's actually officially released. We're working on the pilot program right now, but it's going to be really exciting. So if you're a realtor, reach out to us if you want to know about the Loan Partner Program. And does anyone have any questions, always feel free to ask down in the chat box down below. We talked about the Fannie Mae conventional 5% down multifamily that's getting ready to be rolled out. The down payment assistance program up to $25,000. The jumbo program up to $1.3 million with 5% down. That's an awesome product. Really a no-brainer. What else is good right now that we have? We talked about the Realtor Loan Partner Program. These are some of the hot products right now. And then we also mentioned that if you look at right now in the Fed market for rate predictions in the next 12 months, they're anticipating up to a 2% rate drop. So this is great because if you buy a house right now, you can do a streamline refinance and then drop your interest rate, in a couple months. So, if you find a great home, there's a lot of great deals right now. And then the other thing that's cool about our company, just so you guys know, we can do a soft credit inquiry on you. We don't have to do a hard inquiry. So if we do a soft pull, it doesn't affect your score. A lot of lenders are going to want to do a hard pull on you, and then they'll hurt your credit score and drop your score and lower your points. We can do a soft pull. So that's another really cool thing that we offer. So we can, look at your situation, advise you kind of where you're at, what's going on, and then tell you, okay, look, this is what you got to do. This is how much you get pre-approved for. Now, when you actually go under contract or your loan goes into underwriting, you have to have a hard pull. That's a requirement. But in the beginning, we can just do a soft pull. Okay? So but it's really strong because, a lot of people, you're not aware of it, but if you have a hard pull on your credit, it can drop your credit score anywhere from 4 to 10 points. And I know you need to have that. It's necessary. I'm not saying it's not. But in the beginning, just to start the process, I think it's better to do a soft pull. That's why we do that. And most lenders don't do that. They do a hard pull and it stays on there for 2 years on your record. Soft pull never shows up, right? So that's why we're big about doing the soft pull credit versus the hard pull. So I do like that feature that we offer, and we're really proud to be able to do that. And remember, we do loans all over the country, whether it's FHA, VA, USDA, conventional, private loans, hard money, no doc, fix and flip. Fix and flip's a great program right now. A lot of investors that we work with, you can do a fix and flip loan. You can buy a property with only 10% down and then get 100% cash back for the rehab. So that's really strong. So and then the other thing I really like about the fix and flip program, you get up to 6 months no payments. So basically, let's say you find a property that's $200,000 purchase price and the ARV is 400 and it needs $60K of rehab. You don't have to put 10% down. You can get 100% cash back for the rehab, and then you don't have to make any payments during the rehab process. And probably by the time you sell it, you still haven't even made a payment. And you're going to sell it for $400,000, and you could probably make $120,000 after realtor commissions. So it's a really, really cool program to fix and flip, for investors out there. Now for the 10% down, you do have to be a seasoned, experienced investor, somebody that's done at least 3 flips in the last 2 years. We do offer loans for first-time flippers too, but then if you're a first-time flipper, you have to put at least 20% down. So again, if you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know. I'm happy to answer those for you. We do so many different programs that it's really crazy, but We do a lot of commercial loans too. That's a lot of our business, whether it's mobile home parks, assisted living, mixed use developments, single family developments, master plan communities. If you're a developer or home builder, and you want more information, we have a whole commercial division. We do SBA, where we do hotel loans, restaurant loans. So if you want more information on those, we'd love to talk to you about that, to see how we could help you to put those loans together. I mean, we're working on all different types of stuff right now, from restaurants. We're doing a hotel in Katy, Texas right now. Uh, you know, master plan communities in Conroe, Texas. I mean, Abilene, Texas, all over. Large hotels that we work on right now. I think we're working on 2 in Honolulu and 1 in Maui. So we do all different types of financing packages. A lot of people reach out to us, to solve the problem, to get it done. We're even doing a gun range right now in North Carolina. So we finance all different types of properties. So and right now banks are very tight. They're not really lending. So you need to have alternative financing. It is going to be a little bit more expensive, but it will get the job done. That's our mantra. What we pitch is, if your bank said no, we're going to try and figure out how to say yes, try and figure out how to get it done. Now, we can't approve everybody, and that's not what we're preaching, but we're sure as hell going to try to figure it out, to come up with a solution, and give you some type of guidance on what has to be done, to make it happen, to get it done, right? So, that's why we're here. We do, a very large buffet of products. We do it very well. You work with me and my team directly. We're not the cheapest, but we're the best, and that's what we focus on. We're not the lowest rate, and we don't preach to be the lowest rate. We believe that offering good service. That's the one thing that I think that's lacking right now with a lot of businesses is customer service. Customer service has gone down a lot with a lot of companies. They've gone to automation. With us, you still get to talk to us on the phone, text, call, email. Communication is key in dealing with people. And I think, the current era, when I first started this business, there was no such thing as texting, or email had just kind of taken off. And you met people face to face. Now you can't even meet anyone face to face. It's on a Zoom call, or you're lucky if you can get them on the phone. Everyone wants to do everything on texting and emailing. And I understand everyone's busy. That's cool. I get it. But there's sometimes people want to talk. They have questions they want to get answered. They want to go over stuff to try and figure out, okay, this is where we're at. I want to talk to that person on the phone. So, what I'm saying is that we have that personal touch, that service, where we're still going to, be there. Like I said, we're open 7 days a week. I don't know any other lenders that are open 7 days a week. Most lenders, they turn off their phone at 5 o'clock. You won't hear from them. And that's not us. And the reason why, because we care. And that's a big thing with us. So we've been doing this for, like I said, almost 20 years now. So I hope that means something to all of you guys watching this. We come out here, we do these shows every week. But, anyway, the proof's in the pudding. I appreciate all of you guys watching the show and the channel. If you want more information, you need help with your lending, whether it's commercial, residential, call or text us. We're here for you, 832-431-6331. Your direct nationwide lender, Angelo Christian. You can also go to our website, Official Angelo Christian, our Instagram, our YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. If you guys look at all that stuff, you can just type in Angelo Christian, that'll come up. YouTube's probably our biggest information hub, where you can get a lot of the products that we post, our information. We do 3 videos a week there, and then we do the live. So, reach out, don't be a stranger. Call, text us, whatever we can do to help you. 832-431-6331. I appreciate all of you guys watching the show on the channel. I hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll be back again next week. So we love you guys. Take care. Stay strong. We'll see y'all next week. Bye-bye.